If you are in an accident, Donnelly Group Accident Aftercare will take care of everything from start to finish, whether you're at fault or not at fault. We will do all of the following completely free of charge. We will arrange roadside recovery from the scene to one of our local partner accident repair centres. We will arrange an estimate with the repair centre and a replacement vehicle free of charge to you while your vehicle is being repaired. In the case of a fault accident, our partner accident repair centre will deal directly with your insurance company should you need to claim. In the case of a non-fault accident, we will instruct our legal team to deal directly with the fault insurance company on your behalf free of charge and assist to reclaim for you any diminishing vehicle value or any other loss you incurred. We will ensure your vehicle is repaired to the highest standards, and in the unfortunate circumstances where your vehicle is written off, we will help you purchase a new or used vehicle. We will manage the entire process from you from start to finish, as we are the experts in accident management claim handling.